In this video, I want to share with you a major announcement that I'm making to my SKOOL community. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you the announcement for my SKOOL community, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and Etsy. So today is Sunday, May 4th, 6:09 a.m. in the morning. I already got one sale, but yesterday was a pretty good day. Did 39 sales, $83 in royalties. The day before that, did 56 sales, $90 in royalties. But that is going to put me at 126 sales for the month and $219 in royalties. And now let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy. So if we jump on over to Etsy, we're going to see that yesterday I did $74 in revenue. I ended up selling 3 print-on-demand products. It was 2 t-shirts and 1 mug. So here's the mug, and then here are the 2 t-shirts, 3 orders. And if we go ahead and take a look at my monthly stats this month, yesterday was a big day. So yesterday I did $215, which is like $100 in profit. The day before that, not so great, only $18, but that is going to put me at $307 in revenue and 14 sales for the month of May. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So the big announcement that I want to make regarding my SKOOL community is that I will now be posting every day for niches and prompts for Etsy, specifically for digital download products. So PNG files, tumblers, maybe some other ones. But every day, if you are part of my SKOOL community, you're going to be getting 4 niches or 4 prompts for digital download products. Now, if you've been in my SKOOL community, you know that every day at 6 a.m. I post 4 print-on-demand or merch niches that come with prompts. So if we just come up here and click on this niches for 2025, we're going to see each one of these as a post of 4 niches with 4 prompts, 2 trending, 2 evergreen. Let's just pick on like this one right here. So here we're going to see like these are the 4 niches. So the first one was Prom Mom, My Night to Watch You Shine. It comes with a link to a recent listing that has been selling, so that you can see that the niche is profitable. And then here comes with the prompt. This is the second one, third one, 4th one, and then these are what the actual designs look like right here. So I've been doing this every day for the past about month and a half now. But since I also sell, I don't just sell on merch, I also sell on Etsy, and on Etsy I do print-on-demand products and digital download products. I like selling mainly PNG files, but I also do a lot of wall art. I do a little bit of tumbler wraps as well. And so I wanted to start offering 4 niches or 4 prompts for digital download products for Etsy. All right, because I've always believed that it's important to diversify my income. I don't want to just be very dependent on merch on demand. I want to do merch on demand. I want to do Etsy. I want to have as many income streams as possible, so that in case something happens to merch on demand or something, I still have other income streams paying me on a daily or monthly basis. And that's one of the cool things about Etsy. They actually pay you the next day as long as you do $25 in revenue. So let me kind of show you what these prompts or niches look like. So right here, you're going to see I have these categories. So right here, it's going to be PNG file prompts and then tumbler wrap prompts. So if we just go to the PNG file prompts, the way that I've been doing it as of late, I did this for a week just to see like how it worked. Before I made the announcement. So basically it's going to be one day is going to be PNG prompts, and then the next day is going to be Tumblr prompts. So that's kind of like how I was doing it. But I'm thinking for next week, I'm going to want to start adding in some TV frame PNG files. If you don't know what those are basically like these images that you can upload onto your TV so that it basically looks like wall art when the TV is turned off. But here are what the PNG files look like. So let's just go to this one. So 7 days ago, I posted this one. And it's similar to those merch ones, but this is for PNG files. It's on a white background. You get the same thing here. Oh, and I'm also adding in the title and the tags for each one just to make it really easy for you. And the way that I'm getting these titles and tags, I'm using the GPT, the Etsy GPT from my SKOOL community that actually makes or creates these titles and tags for us. All you have to do, or all I do, is I just basically just upload the image or the design, and then I just type in PNG file or tumbler wrap. So right here we're going to see, this is for the first PNG file right here. It comes with the prompt, it comes with the title and the tags. The second one, same thing, prompt, title, tags. And then here you can actually see what the PNG files look like. So easily distracted by peckers, proud assistant principal, hello spring, and Gigi is my name, spoiling is my game. And you're going to get these, the way that I have it set up now is going to be, PNG files are going to be every other day. And then for the Tumblr wraps, you click on this category right here, we're going to see I made some nice ones the other day here, and it's the same thing. You're going to get the niche, so One Love Teacher, then you're going to get the prompt, then you're going to get the title right here and the tags, and you can just copy and paste these, and then you can actually see what the Tumblr wrap looks like right here. So these actually turned out really nice. Take a look at these, and the way that I'm finding these niches is I'm using Everbee. These are niches, these aren't just like random niches, these are niches that have recently been uploaded and then are recently selling, because I want to try and help you guys get some sales here. So here is the other one. Look how nice this turned out. Bugging my teacher for 100 days. Here's a nice pattern one. And what I've also been doing this past week is I've been doing a lot of tutorials in my school my school community in the classroom section. Let me just show you that on how you can actually design and upload these. So I show you like the whole process on how to do it for Etsy. So if we come over here to classroom, we're going to see, if I just scroll down to the tutorial section. Oh, I think I might have skipped it. Yeah, so it's right here. So how to list Tumblr wraps on Etsy. So I show you the A to Z process from, taking the actual prompt from my school community, making it on ideogram. Then I show you how to like get rid of the background. And I show you how to, upload it onto Etsy, how to do the keywords, the title, the tags, the description, how to do all the photos, the thumbnails, things like that. And then I also teach you how to do a seamless Tumblr wrap. So a seamless one is so that it all like kind of matches when you put it around the Tumblr, so you don't have that like awkward kind of line to make it look kind of like tacky. So I teach you how to do that. I was thinking about that because I saw that pattern one. That's, those seamless ones are more for like the pattern ones. If we go back to the Tumblr wraps category right here and we click back on that pattern one, so like I show you how you can make this seamless so that this side right here will actually match up with this side, so it's not like cut off. It's actually a pretty easy process. You just have to do it on Canva or Photoshop. And then here is the last one. Actually, specifically for that day, I did all teacher ones. Look how nice this one came out right here. Yeah, so basically that's the announcement, is that every day now, if you're in my school community, you're going to be getting not just 4 niches and prompts for merch on demand, but you're also going to be getting 4 niches and prompts for Etsy for digital products. It's going to be, one day it's going to be PNG files, and the next day it's going to be Tumblr wraps, and then the third day probably going to be TV frame PNG files that you can use for like those Samsung TVs. It's actually a pretty good niche loan competition. So I'm excited for that. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm offering a free trial for my school community, so you can sign up for free and you can just see how you like it, kind of like test the waters, see how you like the niches, see how you like the group atmosphere, see how you like all the GPTs, because if you go to my classroom section, I have a whole bunch of like educational content for merch on demand and for Etsy. Like all these 30 proven animal phrases. I give you prompts for each month, 16 or 17 GPTs. So a lot of good stuff here. We do 2 masterminds every month. So if we go to the calendar, we're going to see we got a mastermind coming up next Saturday, and then on the 25th as well. And then you just get access to like the community. So here it's very positive. It's not like a toxic social media Facebook group where if you ask a question, everybody gives you a smart ass response. And the most important part is that people are getting results from the niches that I've been sharing. So if you come here to my About Me section, and maybe I should turn this off so we can actually see what okay, actually I think I have it on dark mode, so it's not going to work. Oh, whoops, don't want to do that. So let me just go ahead and show with you the so right here we're going to see like some testimonials from people getting sales from the niches I've been recommending. So if you click on the About Me section, you can see some of these success posts. And then here are my own stats right here. I always like showing this graph. But yeah, so this is going to be, or that is going to be the announcement for SKOOL. So now every day it's going to be, 4 niches for merch on demand. There's also going to be 4 niches for Etsy for digital downloads. All right, so comment below, let me know what you think. Check out my school community. You can cancel on any time if you don't like it. But if you do decide to join after the free trial, it's only $24 a month or 80 cents a day. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Watch this next video up here next, and I will see you on the next one. Adios.